Hey everybody, we're going to talk about two vowels going walking. Now, when we first started school and I was trying to, get everybody to learn our routine and you all want to tell me stuff, we had to learn that we could only talk one at a time. Because if Truett was going to tell me something and Ryder was going to tell me something and they were going to tell me at the same time, I didn't know what they were saying because they were both talking at one time. So that's when we had to raise our hands and I had to, let you take turns telling me something. Well, the same thing goes with the vowels. When they're stuck together, they have to take turns talking. So, and one of them has to be quiet and one of them gets to talk. So we're going to talk about it. Now vowels, don't forget, A, E, I, O, and U. Those are the vowels that we're looking for. Now anytime that you see two of those together, they're going walking together. So let me show you a word that would be an example. Okay. If you look at this word and we're looking to see if it has two vowels going walking, yes, we see two vowels going walking. So to help me remember that there's two vowels, I would underline them. I would say, okay, A and I are going walking together. But remember, they can't talk at the same time. You have to let the first one take turns. So we're going to let the first one do the talking, and it's going to say its name. So to help me remember, they're going to take turns and the first one's going to do the talking. I'm going to cross out the letter I because he's going to be polite and he's not going to talk over A. And I'm going to know that A says his name. And now I can read the word. So we have A, N, rain, rain. So this only works when there's two vowels together and the other vowel is letting the first one do the talking. So when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and it says its name. So let's try another one. Okay, look at this word and see if you see two vowels going walking. Well, I hope you found them. The letter O and the letter A are together and they're going walking together. So I'm going to underline them to help me remember there's two vowels together. I'm going to cross out the A this time because he's back here. He's going to be polite and he's going to let the O talk. And the O is going to say its name. So I'm going to put a line over there so I remember it says O. So now we can read the word. We have S, O. Soap. Soap. Like when you take a bath, you use soap. I hope you use soap and get clean. Don't be stinky. Soap. So now we can practice this. Anytime you see two vowels going walking, then you can underline them. You can put a line over the first one and you can mark out the other one. Now let's look at this because I know some of you are going to go, but what about? So let's look at it. Oh dear, we have some E's and they're stuck in the middle. But we have to say, is it a sneaky E? Is it an E that's going to say eh or something different? Well, let's look. These two E's are not at the end of the word. So it's not a sneaky E. These two E's, they're together. So they're still counted as two vowels going walking. So what I'm going to do is underline. So they can't be sneaky and they can't be a short sound because there's more than one. We only have a short sound when there's one. So this would be when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and says its name. So I would mark out this one because he's not going to say anything. And I would put a line over this one because he's going to say his name. And then I could read the word. I know that J says J, E says E, together G, and P says P. Jeep, Jeep. Like if you go riding and going mudding or something in a Jeep. So if you have 2 vowels, it doesn't even matter if it's the same 2. Then you can still underline it and go with our 2 vowels, go walking. So again, parents, whatever week that you decide to talk about 2 vowels going walking, do that for the whole week. And make sure that you're doing a lot of words that have that just for practice. Now maybe Wednesday, Thursday of that week, then you can put in other words to let them see. Does it have a sneaky E? Is it 2 vowels going walking? Or is it the short sound? But you've really got to practice the new thing first and make sure they've got that before you put in more stuff. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be glad to go over it with you or give you more examples or anything that you need. So I hope this helps. I hope you're all doing your work, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.